Why are you here?
I found a new skull in the graveyard. I bet it belonged to a poet whose life was cut tragically short.
I don't want to die!
No one's gonna die. Stop squirming. We're gonna die. We're gonna die.
Well. Look what the storm brought in.
Crow chowder.
Get off me, you idiots!
Sorry, Poe. I thought you were Chow.
Yeah, Alistair. How could you?
She's not gonna hurt me, is she?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna skin you alive, Alistair. Bet you'd make a fabulous leather bag and a pretty skull.
Alistair!
Baba, tone down the bloodthirst, you maniac.
It was a joke. It was a joke.
Look, Baba's depressed. Not fake depressed this time. And she needs our help. Not that I care or anything.
If I was depressed, I'd just lie down and sleep a few days.
That's what she's been doing all week.
How about a game? Just sit on this lily pad and try to catch more flies than me. Watch this. The wind blew it away. Slipped right off my tongue, I swear. You gonna eat that?
Wow. No wonder it smells so good.
Shut your trap. Iwi sakit yung ingredient. Are you dying?
Oh, he's super quiet.
Just eat me, Maggie. I don't care.
I have to eat some trash.
Already frosting it!
Okay, no frosting on the inedible stuff, please.
Do not insult Montgomery trash. Bedtime.
I'll gourmet bash your head in, filthy rodent!
Oh no! Where is it? Yes, excellent. Continue.
This is fine. Everything's fine.
Please, don't roast me like a marshmallow!
Aw, but it'd be such a sweet prank.
Can we wrap this up? My eyeliner is literally melting.
Oh, I spot smiling critters by the lake. Wanna mess with them?
Ooh, yes. I'll bring the glitter bombs.
Wow!
Nice catch, my fellow creature of the night.
Ah, that's the nightmare critter way. More than makes up for that bleeding heart chicken over there acting like a smiling critter.
That's what you get for messing up my set. Right, Simon? Simon?
I'm sorry, Baba. It's just... I gotta go.
Hey, wait for me. Was it just a little paper cut, wasn't it? I hurt him bad. I hurt everyone bad. They'll never forgive me.
Maybe not right away. But I'll be here for you, even if you throw a knife at me again. 'Cause otherwise you'll be all alone, and that's my thing. Not that I care that much.
Thanks, Poe.
Ah, stupid skull!
Guess you're one dangerous nightmare critter, too.
All right. night, it's bedtime. Sweet dreams, Critter Crew.
Have fun crying yourself to sleep after that crushing defeat, Hoppy.
Please let the bedbugs bite, jerk chicken!
Have a good night, Dog Day. We love you.
Thanks for the delicious picnic, Dog Day!
And for the highly educational choice of literature. I never knew a caterpillar could be that hungry.
Mwah. Thanks for making us smile, Dog Day. See you tomorrow.
Thanks, Catnap.
Now go to sleep before I actually knock you out.
All right, all right. Good night. What's that?